Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Ben Max Studios. Now, share ebusia, and then your man ACC wo Ghana no. Se o ebusia bi wo Accra. Wo odofo bi na so te Accra. Bomodian ne man message ne bisa nse ne ho te sen. Me say, se o ebusia bi wo Accra, wo busia ni bi, wadamfo ni bi, che se obi a wonim ne bia wonim ne se ote Accra no. Bomodian ne man message ne bisa ne se ne ho te sen nsu a to wo Accra no. A mind Boston. Accra is flooded once again.
The Pampcha rescue team, Kumchacha area, behind Malam Station, behind Malcolm. Please, we need a rescue team. Please, we need an assistance for people are dying in their room. The whole place is flooded with water. We are begging for an assistance. National Service, Fire Service, please, Kumchacha area, behind the Malam Station, Malcolm. The whole place is flooded. The whole place is flooded. People's houses have been occupied by the rainwater, and it has entered their rooms. People are dying. Children are dying. Please come and rescue, okay? Pregnant women are in the room. We are begging. We've climbed to a rooftop. Please, we need rescue team. We are begging. We are begging. A lot of children are here. We've rescued a lot of children. We are begging. We are begging.
Just I am not mintias you. Inti ye ben ne betwema ye beka say oh ye we de nsuo to ye no Accra am flade. In fact, say odu ani ehu nyoma ni bia ekoso Accra na we ye mbehyew. And me kompo me hu video ni bi no. I was really panicking. Na me yem hyehye me. I was like wow. When nyina ekoso Accra. Na obesan so ehu abi mu no mo tika mu no mo kɔ ejuma che se ejuma no hia se wo nkɔ ana sa na mo pese mo nka nkyere ye ejuma na wo kɔ no ehu hia se wo nkɔ anti ejuma no ahene etua mo salary ahene edema mo Accra honom anti untimi ntina fie with all these things going on untimi ntina fie endwen wo ho enfre wo busuanfo se wo ho ye na me nti ase ye kese krampo ne se unim se nsuo no eto nyina no amanfo so enam nsuo nim a omo ye den omo yiji nyoma e wo nsuo nim
Hey, careful, oh! Hey, Charlie, careful, oh, careful.
Yes, nsuo ni bia fa nyoma free so obi company o se deben so obi warehouse o se den nsuo ne de ba no ana mo so mu gina chese Ghana de e wo se wo kope baby kotete no e wo se wo kope baby hye no no omo mo hye fie krampo no masa nsuo ne bo wura o mu fie ho no nsuo no ebura omo fie omo mato wo omo hye omo dem omo lock nsuo ni wura fie ho na me see video bi a me hu ye kwampo de maame no ene ne ba no ewurade yankopon omo fo wo epia bonten just to save their life. Now so benya kwabra ne se me de me yemfa me ho me fa nsuo nim akwakoyi nyoma na nyoma na akwakoyi no ahe na obedi menua ahe na obedi na wotie se ne amafo kasa na makofa milo ansu rade yango pompa milo ansu afa no o ahe na obedi milo no ahe na obedi anti muntimi ntina fie we obedu fie kwampo na bebre na asai because already na efi nsuo mu na eba untimi ntina fie endwen wo ho abusuafo me say se wo dofo bi wa Accra unimo bi wa Accra bomodian na friend na bisa ne say ne ho te sen na pomodin mo te sen because nyoma ekoso wa Accra no me say eye mind Boston abusua eye mind Boston ti bomodian so we free we busua ni bi na we bisa ne say ne ho te sen na me say nyoma ekoso wa Accra o anti to the extent say omo te car mu omo te bus mu kwampo na omo tu kwan efiri Accra akokuma ase ne tamale na asefo no e wo so omo san omo chi because of nsuo no e wo so omo san omo chi na omo chi say enyoma ekoso wa Accra abusuafo enyoma ekoso wa Accra ana ba ku bi so amesan so hu ye kwampo ye police ni no okoye den won nsuo nim.
How can a police officer do this? How?
Passou a vez, a dia vai frente.
Police ni okra police moto okoye den won nsuo nim hefa na okọ even though say nsuo na ekoso ni here police for around ni ade but nsuo nim because we na say bia ogina hono ma na nsuo na ba beto no okọ he Ghana for sometimes I know so din. And I think with all these things going on no, it's high time I was say Accra honom no mumu enjai say ye nyina ye ko honom just obi asori a no afa na bag me kwa Accra obi asori a no afa na bag me kwa Accra okoye den what are you going to do in Accra even though say you say Accra opportunities be brave honom but this time around no massa Accra is not safe anymore. Accra is not safe anymore. Just be in your region or in your city or whatever. Se Kumasi na what na ho, Takrade na what na ho, Tamale na what na ho. Obi ama na ho so and I'm going to Accra. What are you going to do there? What are you going to do there? And ya na yeko ho no ma, bola wo se wo otua skama bola for befa no. Kwabara ne simi ntua, nsu oto a me de ba kogu gatem. Me de ba kogu gatem na akochoki o baby afebo na nsuo ni ntimi nko me se ebusia se unhu se ne nsuo pa yiri a eba obeka se ya sheda ne ye bie nsuo no se nsuo no bese nko all because say nsuo na eto ba ku bi so a me hu ye che say almost about 30 minutes omugusu gina nsuo ni omugusu gina nsuo ni mo trese traffic obi anko obi amba imagine yem person ye esi mbre bi na bi besan so esi bi mu gina ho no ma na no so chese medwe hu amenti ase nti ebusu ase wo hwe me wo ebusu bi wa Accra onim obi wa Accra odofi bi wa Accra bomodian se wo be friend no ebisa ne se ne ho tesen ne ho ya na because nyoma ekoso wa Accra no e mind Boston nyoma ekoso wa Accra no e mind Boston amanfo dem nyoma epie fi abon epie free dem ho no nsuo etam de kọ ombewie na eka buburo a ye kire mpo asese anademofo kwampo no ade na age omo nsa ti se wo hwe me unim obi wa Accra bomodi asa wo be fresh ani para no obisa ne se ne ho etisen aha Ben Max Studios edi amafo de frame Ben Success uchia me na so frame a meje oso Dubai na edi adwuma enti ye de ne yekoso wa Accra ne de nka ho bi just by say ye hu ne yekoso wa internet no so a wo se ye de brem wa ha se na mo nso mo ye de munya mo chefa na mo hwe niema ekoso wa Accra no is an ISO yeda mo ase yebesam so hia biom bye bye.